Hey people, so we that's my child taking a photo, and we are at this place called Knowledge City. And actually it's been surrounded by offices. We are surrounded by offices, but they've made this place really cute and cozy. Screen Center, Burma. So yeah, and that's my child. He looks so excited and happy. So yeah, this is how Hyderabad looks at night, and it just feels nice to be here. Yeah, that's my kid posing for his sister. And yeah, this is good. So I wonder if this is already a 1-minute video, but yeah. So we are waiting in front of Green Center. Once we get a chance, we'll be gone. Oh, my sister's calling me.